I'll guide you through how to use Notion for beginners. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Notion on your browser or download the app on your device. Once you're in, click the Create a New Page button on the top left corner. It's right next to your name. Give your page a title, something like Alex's Dashboard or anything that fits your style. Now let's customize. Add an icon and a cover to make the page visually appealing and feel more like your own space. Next, add a gallery view to organize categories like notes, projects, or ideas. You can do this by clicking the plus button on the left or simply type /gallery. Then, create a simple navigation area with links or sections for things like school, work, and finances. You can arrange them anywhere on the page. Now, it's time for your weekly to-do list. Add headers for each day of the week, from Monday to Sunday, and use /to-do or the plus button to start listing your daily tasks. Finally, insert a calendar to track events, deadlines, or reminders by hitting the plus and selecting calendar. And there you have it, a clean, personalized Notion page that keeps your life organized and easy to manage.